Hello, hi everyone. Today I would like to share how I doing my album from start. Did from junk journal from Stamperia, but when I get that collection, I find I don't have enough paper for doing photo album, because what I always prefer, it's photo album. Of course, I doing some boxes, some cards, something different from paper, because paper is something I use for doing my love in heaven, and so I go to my stash and I find that cover, empty cover, and I make decision. It's a fine color for coffee album. For last time I did 1, 2, 3, 4 coffee albums and if you want to see, each one is different and really nice. All of them are on my YouTube channel, and I try open my memory and looking for my stash, and I find last over paper from all these 4 albums. So finally I am happy, and I know I can do it, the new coffee album, because I am coffee lover, and every morning I drinking coffee with my son, and after lunch second coffee. So what I did from beginning, I fold this paper, and I thinking here can be add photos, and also photo can fold here. So also here is pocket, so can slide something something shortly here. So closure, and look at that beautiful girl. It's like me with my friend drinking coffee. Okay, and I found that beautiful brown ribbon. So that will be like that. I will finish that. And then I make that bell. When we open the bell, here is accordion for 6 photos. So that is my, oops, okay, come, lovely man, coffee maker. Okay, then I come to second page, and I love this woman with that cake. And again I make place for photo here. Also I cut this, and she bring cake for this page. Probably I put here some tass with coffee. Okay, and when I open this, it's place for photo. Here this have to, and here is again place for photo. I have to finish all, and also here we can slide some tags and closure is like that. So that is the second double page, and today I play with that. So when I open this, we put that flap down, and here is place for photo, and also photo we can add behind it heart. So that page I made this morning, maybe on evening I will do more, and also I did that waterfall for many photos. And now I am very happy because I go for all my stash and I find all these papers which I have left over, and that fussy cutting with things. 1, 2, and 3. That is original from that journal from Stamperia, but other ones are from different company, from Ciao Bella, from Lacerolove, For You. So now I get idea. Next page I will do like tutorial together with you. So thank you very much to visit my channel, and hope we will see together tomorrow. Bye bye guys.